Hi, it's Steph here from stephanieairey.co.uk, and I was sat here thinking I want to make a new pin for my Pinterest account, and it's been a while since I used Pinterest. I've set up a new business account and it's all about CBD oils because I'm working for a company that sells the CBD oils, and I thought rather than just pinning everyone else's pins, if that's what you call it, it's time I make my own. And I've made a few, and I thought while I'm making one, why not show people how to do it? It's only the simplest of ways. You can get more intricate and fancy. It depends on what you want to do it for. And this is my Pinterest account, and I'm going to click on boards, and these are the boards I've actually made so far. And like I say, I have been pinning other people's images. So today I thought, yes, make a new one. So I knew straight away it was going to be for the CBD oils because it's the only Pinterest account I'm using at the moment. I've made a couple so far, just basic ones. I'll show you. This is one I did a little time ago, and I did do another one, I think last night somewhere. I must have put it on a different board. So, how I do this is, first of all, I work out what I want on the pin. So today I'm going with migraines. So, I got my text prepared. I'll show you that. I've got my URL to the link I want it to go to. I've got the text I want for the image itself and the text I want in the description. Now, before anyone says anything, this isn't SEO optimized. Yeah, I've got keywords in there, but I wasn't focusing on that. Next, I went over to Pixabay, pixabay.com. I type in migraines because that's what I want to do this pin on, and then I went in looking for an image, and there's some pretty good images on here, but I've gone for this image. It just appealed to me. Next we go over to canva.com, canva.com, and it's free, but it's also so simple to use. Again, this is simple, and I'm sure you can do a lot more with Canva than what I'm going to be doing. So first off, I just sign in and I'm brought to this page, and I'm going to click on this more icon. And what I'm looking for is the Pinterest graphic, which is down here under social media posts, and it's 135 pixels by 1102 pixels. I click on it and it just opens up in a new window when it loads. I'm going to move the screen across a little bit. I'm going to make my canvas size a little bit bigger, and what I'm looking for is the layout. Now, the last layout I used was this simple one here. I may use that one again. I'm just going to scroll down because there's some really nice ones here. See, that one's a nice one. I might go with this one today. Now, we can change the colour. I think what I will do first is upload the image and put the image in first, and then take it from there. So I'm going to move the screen across, and here we've got uploads, and all you do, click on upload, new window opens, and scroll down to find the image we downloaded. Now you can drag and drop your image in with this opening up the way it did. I'm just going to find the image and upload it that way. There it is. Hopefully this image will work for what I'm doing. Right, you can see here, I'm going to make the screen bigger. A line went across and it's ready, and all you do is drag and drop. It's that simple. Now, let's see if I can move that up a little bit. I'm not sure if I like that because we've lost some of the hands. I wonder. No. I've made it bigger. It's not ideal, but like I say, this is just for a quick tutorial. Yeah, I think I'll have that for now. Then I just want to take some of my text. So we have cannabis, I can't say the word, oil may relieve pain and reduce inflammation, and it shows some promise as a treatment for migraines. So I'm just going to copy that, Control C, back to the image, and I want it in this main section here. So you just click on, and you see the box is highlighted ever so slightly. Copy and paste. Obviously it's way too large, so we're going to go up here and change the font size. Go down to an 18. It's a little bit too much text there for my liking. I'm going to, let's have a look, maybe copy this and paste in that box. Take the full stop off. So, cannabis oil may relieve pain and reduce inflammation. It shows some promise as a treatment for migraines. That's not too bad. This little box here, I think I'm going to put the name of the company. Hempworx. And keep that treatment for migraines there. I'm not too satisfied with that one, but for a quick, simple design, I think that should be okay. Yeah, you can change the colours. I'm not sure if that colour actually works, and I'm not the best person with colours. So anyway, click on the box up here, pick a colour. You can either choose from these colours, or you can click here and have a play around. Darker, lighter. I would prefer the colour to be more like the girl's top in the background, but for now I'm just going to keep it as that. Click back on the box and that takes it away, and there's the finished image. Now I tend to go to File, which is here left, and just save. It always says last saved a few minutes ago, but I just click on it to make sure. And then click on download and download. And that prepares the image. It'll download it to your download folder on your computer, which I'm just going to open now. Show image in folder. And when it comes up, there it is. I'm just going to right click, rename, and just type migraine in there for my reference. So now we've got the image ready. We're going to go back over to Pinterest, click the red cross, well, the red circle with the white cross, create pin, brings that up. I'll open the image in the folder, and I'm going to just drag the image over, and it says plus copy. That's when you know you can let go. And there's the image uploaded. Now I need the URL for where I want to direct people. So I'm just going to copy that in, put it in the box where it says website. And as you can see, my Hempworx URL, I've added the source code at the end for Pinterest, so I can see the stats, how many people come through from Pinterest. And then I'm just going to copy this long piece of text that I've created and drop it in the description box. Click done. Pops up a new window. Choose which board. Or migraines. So I'm going to put it in CBD oil health. Save pin. Typical, something went wrong. So my description is too long, 41 characters. Okay. So we'll go back to create pin. We'll put the image across again. Copy the text and reduce it. So if you suffer migraines, it can be deliberate. I can't say that word either. Many long-term sufferers are turning to alternate treatment. CBD oil being one of them. Others are finding the feeling. Right, where can we reduce it? I'm just going to take out that paragraph. It doesn't really matter for this tutorial. And then I'm going to add my URL again. Great pin. If you heard a big snort in the background, that's the dog snoring. Go back, save into the health. There we go. Now you can either close the window, see it now, or promote your pin. We're going to see it now. And I'll just make the window a little bit smaller. And there's the actual pin. So I'm going to go back on my profile. Go to boards. Still loading. And as you can see, it's gone in the right board. Click on it just to make sure. And oops, wrong image. As you can see, there's the pin. It doesn't look too bad, but like I say, you can make it more complicated than this. You can edit up here if you want to make any more changes. But that's a simple way of creating a pin for Pinterest. Hope you find it useful in some way. I'll put the links below. Please like, share and comment. Thank you for watching.